Alright, today y'all be doing a unboxing and a brief setup for my Samsung Galaxy Ultra watch. Alright, as you can see, we ended up with three boxes, a box and a box and a box. Okay, I got this watch, it's my first upgrade since the 4. Um, I wasn't too crazy about the 5 and 6, but the 7 had a completely different design, so I decided to finally upgrade. All right. As you can see, it's the usual contents out the box: the charger, the watch itself, and the band. All right. Well, there's the band. I went with the orange because it stood out amongst the rest, and of course because it matches the bezel on the Ultra watch. But I'm buying several bands and switching out the faces and the bezel, so it'll look totally different. Quick zoom in on the buttons and the dial on the side, very clicky. All right, they took away the physical rotating bezel, so it's completely digital on this model. There's a little branding on the watch there, and the locking mechanism for the watch band is totally different from the 4. Feels a lot stronger as well. Um, it's showing you right there, and there's a lock. You press down on that, and while holding it, you just slip in the watch band. All right, just like that. Like it's a lot stronger than the watch bands or the locking mechanism on the 4 model. I'm not even sure if they switched to this on the 5 or the 6 because I didn't pay those any mind. Again, I didn't feel like there was much of an upgrade from the 4. All right, slip it on. Look at that. That's real nice. I like the way it feels too. It's got a little weight to it. Okay, on this side, you can see the speaker grills. All right, there's 2. And again, on the other side, there's your buttons. Back button, home button. Actually, you can customize those buttons. Double tap, triple tap. Got different app options. Okay, turn it on. See if we got a little juice. Okay, we're gonna set it up on the Fold 3. At the time, I hadn't got my Fold 6. It was on back order, so I didn't get mine when everybody else got theirs. But I went ahead and set up the watch. So, all right, it's pretty straightforward. If you've set up a watch before, on my right wrist, that's the watch for 46 millimeter. The new watch is 47 millimeter, and you really can't tell the difference unless they're side by side. But they definitely redesigned the casing on it, so you can tell it's a different watch, different model. Right? There's your pinch gesture. I'll play more around with that after I got it set up. And there you have it. Going through the gestures. Pretty much the same. Only gesture that really changed is the hand gestures, the knock feature and the pinch feature. That is real nice. I fell in love with this watch instantly. Like, subscribe, and share.